right, welcome back to the Beatboxing Fundamentals. Now this might be one of the most important videos, right? Because this video is all about the mic technique. My name is Chesney Snow, and I am from the American Beatboxing Championships, and I'm teaching you the beatbox basics, all right? So with this is the microphone that most people will use, right? It's a microphone that plugs into some sort of audio system, right? So it's really important that as an instructor or a student, you understand how to use the microphone and how not to use the microphone. So one, with these types of microphones, this is the best way to hold the microphone, right? You want to hold it so that the microphone is pointing directly at your mouth, right? You don't want to hold it down like this because you won't get the same fullness of sound. So when you hold the microphone, you want to cup the microphone. That helps you get lower bass sounds, more full sounds, and really concentrates your voice on the microphone. Now, you don't want your lips to actually touch the microphone because that's nasty, right? You want your lips to be pretty close to the microphone though. So listen. This gives you a really full sound when you're holding these types of microphones. Now, one thing that you really want to understand is that if you don't cup the microphone, you won't get a really good sound. If you point your microphone in this direction of the speakers, obviously you're going to get feedback. So you want to make sure that the speakers are either in front of you, right, or that they're turned away from you. You still want to be able to hear them. But with microphones, you want to be able to have the volume of your microphone up, and you do not want to point that microphone towards the speaker because you're going to get too much feedback, right? So remember, just to recap, you don't want to have your microphone in this position when you're beatboxing. You want to hold your microphone directly up to your mouth, like such. And you don't want your lips to touch the microphone because that will be nasty, all right? But you want to make sure that you're cupping the microphone. You can cup it just like this, or you can just cup it with both hands. Either way, you want to make sure that you're giving the microphones enough room to breathe so that you're not closing it all the way. Because if you close it all the way and cover it completely, you could get feedback. So find a way to comfortably hold your microphone. Once you do this, and you have a microphone, it's going to really change the way you're beatboxing in class. Because if you have a little speaker, right, that has pretty decent sound and a microphone, you're really going to rock the house. So remember, use the microphone and keep it clean. Don't be nasty.